All right, here's a review of this beverage cooler. Really nice looking unit. Operates pretty silently. Definitely keeps the drawers or the contents cool. I thought these could have been a little more responsive. I mean, they do adjust if you press them hard, but I just thought it'd be a little more responsive than they are. Drawers are certainly nice and deep. The dividers are a great addition. I haven't installed it yet because I wanted to show you that it did come a little bit damaged for whatever reason. That crease shouldn't be there. It also does come with a regular AC plug, so you don't have to hardwire it if you don't want to. It also did not come with a manual. I don't know why that's the case. And you think, well, it's just a refrigerator. All you have to do is plug it in and it works. But it would have been nice to have some specs on it. But overall, really nice unit, very quiet.